Okay, so first we have to figure out what is a radius. Why do you think they're asking us to figure out the radius of the circle? How would that help us to find the perimeter? What is the formula for circumference of a circle? What is the formula you learned yesterday? Circumference is equal to pi times the diameter. If we know the radius, can you figure out the diameter? So if I know the radius, let's say the radius is from here to here, then I know the diameter is the whole thing, right? From one end of the circle to the other. In order to find the perimeter of the shape, we would have to calculate, we would have to add, look here, this side length plus this side length plus this side length plus half of the circle. So it's very similar to what we did yesterday. So once we know the radius, we're going to figure out the circumference. So can we use any information from this diagram to help us find the radius? Why did you use this 12? It's the same distance, right? So so actually that tells us the diameter, right? So we know the diameter is equal to 12. What's the radius equal to? What's half of 12? 6. Okay? So for A, the radius is equal to 6 centimeters. Now we have to find the perimeter of this composite shape, and we already discussed this. We know that it has to be 26 plus what? 12 plus, do we know what this side length is? If this is 26, what's this side length? 26 plus, what's the last thing I have to add? Do we know this? Circumference, right? The circumference is the perimeter. So we're trying to find the circumference, I'll write it in here, of the semicircle. Well, we're going to use the formula for circumference of a circle. So what are we going to do, Bethel? So circumference is equal to, good, we're going to round it to 3.14 multiplied by what? What is the diameter? Diameter is equal to 12. So what is 3.14 times 12? 37.68. Am I going to plug that in here? No, why not? This is the circumference of the whole circle. I need to know half of it, so what do I have to do, Otava? Good. What is 37.68 divided by 2? Victoria? 18.84, so I can erase this. I can plug in the circumference of the semicircle, 18.84. And now let's add it all together. Can you add 26 plus 12 plus 26 plus 18.84 to get the perimeter of this shape? What is it? 82.84. What's my unit? Centimeters.